Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingesting undiluted vinegar of any kind can damage your throat and esophagus. Consume it earlier in the day. Drinking apple cider vinegar at least 30 minutes before bed may lower your risk of indigestion or acid reflux after laying down. 26 June 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Apple cider vinegar and honey are often combined in folk medicine. The mixture is generally diluted in warm water and drunk before bedtime or upon rising. It's claimed to aid weight loss and improve seasonal allergies and blood pressure. 19 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Using apple cider vinegar to treat constipation. People who promote ACV as a treatment for constipation often claim that it acts as a natural laxative. Contains pectin, a water-soluble fiber that can help improve your overall digestion.
Take our lead.
To drink apple cider vinegar for weight loss, it's best to drink it throughout the day. Drink the apple cider mixture in 2 to 3 doses and before meals. This is thought to suppress the appetite overall. Studies have shown that some people had a suppressed appetite because of nausea after consuming apple cider vinegar. 11 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.